Before we have a look around, let me just give you an idea of these rooms. So there's 3 of these rooms on each floor, and if you're looking at the shape of Mandalay Bay, each room takes up the very, very end of the corridor. So if you look down, there you go. So when you come down the corridor, you've got the double doors at the back. Okay, so coming in, straight away we have a breakfast bar area in the middle and opens up into this entertainment area. It advertises you can entertain up to 11 people in here, and the suite itself sleeps 4. So one side we've got 4 nice large comfortable chairs, a couple of side tables and lamps. All the curtains and drapes everywhere are all automated. There's separate circuits for each one, and there's 4 air conditioning units in the room. And the other side is a nice sofa couch area, table, and again a couple of lamps. And these are for the blinds, so one's for the blackout. And there's 4 of those. There's one for this side, one for that side, and one for each bedroom. So where the sofa area is, if we swing around, we have a big TV, soundbar underneath, a multimedia connection, and in the corner here is a subwoofer. This is controlled by Bluetooth as well, and the reason I've unplugged it here is because the Bluetooth I think has quite a good radius. And the other night at 4 o'clock in the morning, somebody decided to connect to the Bluetooth in this room and just blared their music out so loud. It must have woken up the rooms around us as well. So running around like headless chickens trying to turn the thing off. So that's why I've unplugged everything there. And on the other side, we have a wet bar. So sink, ice machine there, coffee machine, mini bar. Areas up there, plus down there, on the bottom, there you go. You use your touchpad sensitive and it does charge you even if you move it and put it back in. And it says here, if you try to put your own things in there, they'll charge you $50 a day. Don't know how they get away with that, but they do. It's Vegas. And another TV. Down here is also a safe. There. It's not the only safe, there are more. So I don't know if all the rooms are the exact same layout. As far as I can tell they are, which means when you come in, the bedroom on your left is slightly smaller than the bedroom on the right. So if I start in this one, the smaller one, I say small, the size difference isn't that great, but I could tell the difference. So we've got some drawers, another TV, desk area and lamp, and aircon unit for this room. Nice big mirror, and the first of the king beds. We've been here 4 nights and found it to be a really comfortable room. I'll talk about Mandalay Bay a bit more in a second, about our thoughts about how far down the strip it is. Each bedroom obviously has its own ensuite. Comes with a nice big tub, separate shower, a dual vanity, big mirror, and then down the end is the toilet for this room. Wardrobe space in here. Comes with an ironing board, a luggage rack and hangers. There's one wardrobe in here, and that's one of the differences between the 2 rooms, because the other room has got space for another one. I'll go through the view later as well about the difference in views. And coming through into the other room. So this one I think is slightly bigger. I'm sure it is. There's So a king bed again, same setup, same look, side lamps, alarm clock, aircon unit for this one is over there. And if you can't find it, the control for the windows there. And if I swing around, so we've got the wardrobe here, but then there's another side one there. Guess this room is just a tad bigger. Again, ironing board, hangers, and there is the second safe in this one. You fit a laptop in there. And then in this one, it's quite deep, goes all the way back. Hangers, luggage rack. And again, bathroom is the exact same, it's a mirror copy. The only difference is this one has a TV in the mirror. If you need a TV in the mirror. Again, dual vanity. The standard MGM products. Tub, shower, and again, just the room with the toilet in. It's the same both sides. The room we are in is advertised, desk area there. It's advertised as a pool view room, which means it's the one probably everyone says they don't want because you see less off the strip. But it's actually absolutely fine. It faces the Raiders Stadium, so I'm sure these rooms are going to be renamed one day Stadium View. So you look across to the Raiders Stadium, still being built. Got Orleans over there, and then looking down at the convention centre, and of course the pools. So if I go back into the slightly smaller room, you can see there's the main entrance double door. So the view this side is the airport and pools. So again, there's all of the pools. Also got Four Seasons down here. And the airport. The Welcome to Las Vegas sign is just down here. Sorry, the sun's a bit strong, it's just reflecting back. Right, and the other view, it's actually a really nice view, the other one. Considering it's not the one point in the strip or the airport, you still get the airport and the strip on this one. So don't be too disheartened if you're told you're in the pool view room. Let's turn the light off. There. Considering it's not the one facing the strip or the airports, I think you still get a really good view from this room. So, thoughts on Mandalay Bay as a location. We stayed here because we were offered this room comped for 4 nights. I think the cost was about $2,000 otherwise, or maybe just under. It's a 1,500 square foot room, so absolutely plenty of space. There's 3 of us staying here. We've stayed before at the Luxor, and we found that was too far down the strip, and we just didn't enjoy having to keep getting back down there. Oddly, we didn't have that same feeling with Mandalay Bay. It's a much nicer property when you come into it, no offense Luxor. And walking here or Ubering it back down here, it really didn't bother us. We found Mandalay Bay a pleasant resort to come back to. It felt less smoky, less crowded than the other ones, because perhaps people don't always like coming down here, but at the end of the night we actually quite enjoyed that, and we spent some time just milling around the casino or the bars without it being overly crowded, overly noisy, and I don't mean to sound too boring there, but we've been doing that all day. When we come back, we thought it was a much more pleasant end to the evening. Would I stay here again? Absolutely. I found the staff to be excellent. The only downside perhaps is if you like a food court in the morning for breakfast. We don't tend to do that, but it's a long way away. It's It's more for the convention centre. Mandalay Bay has an enormous convention centre. When we came down here, we had to walk all the way along there, all the way along there, and there, just to find where it was to see what they had. We didn't use it, but we just wanted to have an explore. Panoramic, 2-bedroom, king suite. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please give a thumbs up. Remember to hit that subscribe button. On this trip, we also have videos of a room at the Delano, or Delano. I don't know, still not sure what the right pronunciation for that place is. We're just next door, and that was a strip view king suite, so make sure to look that up. If it's not on the channel now, it will be in the next week or so. And we also grabbed a 1-bed luxury premium room, I forget what it was, in the Luxor Tower, which is also from this trip. So again, if it's not up now, it will be in the next week or so, so make sure you hit the notification. Any questions, please leave below. Feel free to leave comments if you've stayed here. If you're wondering, the rooms are divided, by these doors. Gives privacy, there's one on each room. It lets light through, but you can't see through, and we found the soundproofing between this bedroom and the one on the far end. Couldn't hear a thing. Genuinely couldn't hear a thing. But yeah, until next time, I'll see you guys then.